Hi friends, it's been a while since my last video. Hope all are good. Today I'm going to talk about the installation of Viofo Dashcam in my Jeep. I chose Viofo A119 Mini because of its compact size, which is perfect for smaller windshield of Jeep Wrangler. I also bought a hardware kit for parking mode recording, but I will explain more about that in a later part of this video. The box contains the camera along with the necessary data cables and the car charger cables. Also, it has a GPS module attached. It comes with a 3M sticker and a transparent sticker. You will need to apply the transparent film to the windshield first. It's designed so that it can be removed easily without leaving any residue while still holding the camera firmly in place. This is the transparent sticker. So let's begin. So we need to tuck the power cables from here and get them through here. Then you will need to open the side compartment and connect them to the car adapter for the cigarette lighter socket. This method is only for recording while the car is running, not for parking mode. So if you only want to record while driving, you simply need to connect the power cable into the car adapter. Otherwise, you will need to connect it directly to the fuse box. You can simply open the side compartment with the few tools. In fact, when you purchase Viofo camera, it actually comes with a small plastic tool designed specifically for inserting and tucking in the cable. Remember, if you are planning on using parking mode and having the camera powered on full time from the battery, you will need to use the hardware kit cable instead of standard car adapter. This allows for a clean wire routing from the top of the windshield. Okay. This is the hole you can use to route the wire from inside the cabin to the fuse box, which is located under the hood of the Jeep. Let me tuck the cable inside from here. It's much easier than you expect. You just need to loosen the screw here. There is no need to remove this section entirely. Once it's loose, you can feed the cable out and get it down. Now let's route the hardware kit cable to the fuse box under the hood. Now attach the hardware kit cable to a flexible iron tag so that you can pull the other end of the iron tag and get the wire into the engine compartment. There are three cables, red for VCC, yellow for ACC and black for the ground. VCC provides a constant 12-volt power supply directly from the battery, ensuring power is always available, while the ACC supply is 12 volt and turn on only when the ignition key is switched on. You can seal this hole using silicone sealant, or similar materials. You might be worried that leaving the dashcam connected to full time will drain your battery, but that's not the case. The hardware kit comes with an adapter that prevents this by cutting power when the battery voltage drops below a specific limit, which you can set yourself. For instance, at 12 volt, this way your battery will never be fully drained or harmed. Now we need to connect the VCC and ACC wires to the fuse box, and the ground wire can be connected to any suitable metal spot on the Jeep's body. To find the right fuse details, you just need to check the fuse box cover itself, as it typically has a diagram showing the function of each fuse. By looking at this diagram, you can easily identify the correct slots of your VCC and ACC connections. If you have a multimeter, you can check the voltage to confirm it. This is the fuse tab that's available in shop. The fuse tab has two slots, an upper one and a lower one. In lower slot you must insert the original fuse that you removed, and the upper slot is for the new dashcam fuse. Remember, you also need to know that one side of the fuse slot will be the common power point. The other side is the circuit's original power output, which divides between the original connection and the new dashcam. So ensuring correct polarity here is the key. You can ensure this by using a multimeter. Avoid tapping into critical vehicle systems such as airbags or other safety features. It's always best to choose a non-critical circuit like a power outlet or accessory slot for your fuse tab. I initially tapped into two different fuses in the fuse box. However, I found it a bit difficult to route the wires out. So I later chose two other suitable locations. The first is F7 designated in my Jeep manual for the power outlet, providing continuous battery power, which I used for VCC connection. And for the ACC, I used the slot for the seat heater, which is empty in my model, allowing me to use two slots that were conveniently close to each other. Before mounting the dashcam on the windshield, let me connect the power cable to check if it's functioning correctly. Yeah, it's working.
Recording started.
Now, after taking the key out of the ignition, the camera switches to parking mode and continues to operate by drawing power directly from the battery. Now you can mount your dashcam on the windshield in your preferred position. Most people place it on the passenger side behind the rear view mirror, which minimize obstruction while keeping the controls accessible from the driver's seat. You will find detailed instruction in the Viofo manual, but it's generally a simple task. Simply clean the windshield, apply the transparent sheet, and then press the dashcam with the 3M sticker into the place. So it's done. Good luck.